Isn't she perfect? Look at her closely. Her makeup, the way she applies lipstick, I think she's really perfect. Come on, you should try to win her too. Isn't she truly perfect? With her eyebrows and sweet-smelling scent, my heart is completely taken. Yes, my heart is completely taken. Beautiful eyelashes, soft waving arms. Is there anyone who wouldn't be captivated by her completely? As for me, I can never get tired of looking at her. As for me, I can never get tired of looking at her. Isn't she truly perfect? With her eyebrows and sweet-smelling scent, my heart is completely taken. And yes, my heart is completely taken. Which path does she walk, I wonder? In whose house will she spend her life, I wonder? I'd love to meet her again, even just once. I'd love to meet her again, even just once. Isn't she truly perfect? With her eyebrows and sweet-smelling scent,